Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. And today we're going to talk about how to keep dogs from pooping in your yard. This video will take you through the most humane ways to keep dogs away and stop them from pooping in your yard. So stick around for the best guide. First up, install a fence around your yard. This is the simplest way and best way to keep dogs from accessing your yard. This should be your first option. You should put up a fence around your yard and make sure that the fence is strong enough and doesn't have any gaps for a dog to pass through. The fence should also be tall enough such that a dog doesn't jump into your yard. However, if you're not comfortable with fences, you can just install a natural barrier around your yard. You can do this by planting dense shrubs around your yard. Use motion-activated sprinklers. Motion-activated sprinklers can scare away dogs from your yard because they set off when motion is detected and they automatically sprinkle cold water on the dogs that are wandering around your yard. You can find these sprinklers at a department store or from Amazon. You should then install them in areas where the dogs are likely to visit and poop. The sudden sprinkle of cold water will immediately scare the dogs away. Use scents that are unpleasant to the dogs. Since dogs have a very sensitive sense of smell, you can make your yard smell unpleasant to them by using dog-repellent scent substances such as citrus trees, citrus fruits, garlic, ammonia, vinegar, and chili powder, among others. Spread any of these substances along the area where the dogs are used to passing through. This will discourage them from visiting your yard. Try talking it through with the dog owners. If you know the owner of the dog is responsible, calmly discuss the issue with them and try to find a suitable solution together. You just have to find a good time to talk to them. Let them know that the poop bothers you obviously because of the smell and even the risk of spreading diseases. Then come up with good solutions to the problem. Train your dog. If you're a dog owner, you should try training your dog since dogs are easily trainable. You should train it to use the poop zone. You can also seek assistance from an experienced dog trainer to train your dog. So there you have it. Finding dog poop in your yard can be annoying. However, the solutions mentioned can help you deal with this problem. I hope this helps. Feel free to leave a comment, like, and share this video. Till next time.